Okay, masyado maliit po siya, no? These are the steps in how to accomplish your personal brand. Number one is your self-reflection. Kailangan i-assess nyo muna yung sarili nyo. Okay? Then second, we need to define your goals. Ano ba talagang gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay nyo? Ano ba gusto nyong profession? But this is an advice I want to give to you guys, no? Do not limit your goal. Kailangan shotgun siya. Shotgun in the sense that you need to be flexible. Like Miss, ginagawa kita palaging example, sorry ha, kasi she's the one that's a very good example. Kailangan, pag saan ka nilagay, always say that you can provide the outcome. Meaning to say, ina-hire ka namin, kaya mo ba to? Then you will assess yourself, kaya ko po to. Gagawin ko. Like I remembered when I applied in Shakey's. No? Shakey's, isa lang ho ang bakante. Delivery. Hindi ako marunong magmotor. But I said yes. Okay. So it's a suicide mission. Okay. So that was the time, whenever the delivery comes in, pinapasa ko. Daya ako, no? Uy, dali mo daw doon sa ganito. Ito to, dali mo, nandyan yung address. Tapos nakita ako ng supervisor. Mr. Solosa, bakit hindi ka nagdi-deliver? Hindi siya rin susunod. Binabantayan na pala ako. Ngayon dumating, yung bulk na, sabi ko, shit, malas. Okay? So wala nang takas, nakatingin na sa akin yung supervisor. Paki-deliver na yan kaagad ASAP within 30 minutes. So I was forced to use the motorcycle. Okay. So ginawa ko na. Talagang gewang, sabi ko, Lord, protect me. Yan. Yun ang una-una kailangan mong gawin. Wait. Yeah. Well, anyway, nagawa ko na. When I already accomplished doing that, I was so happy. Sabi ko, shit, may talent pala ako magmotor. Yeah, okay. So, sobrang abuso na ako. Ginamit ko pa rin ng ginamit. Tuwang-tuwa na ako until the end of my contract. So, sabi ko, nakapulot ako sa Shakey's. Marunong ako magmotor. Okay? So, I did not even buy a motorcycle up to this day. Even though nakaya ko bumili, ayaw ko bumili. Okay? So, create your online presence. Your social media profiles. LinkedIn. Meron ba ho kayong LinkedIn? Do you have a LinkedIn? Yes. Kailangan nyo i-update nyo. Whenever you got a certificate, ipasok nyo ulit. Ipasok nyo. Parang ina-update nyo yung resume nyo. Okay? Not only LinkedIn, Facebook account. Be careful for what you post. Because definitely, some people, okay, do not know what's the meaning of your post. Sometimes there are plenty of critics, no, na hindi nila nakukuha yung minsan yung mensahe, not unless na ilagay mo sa text. Sino ba nagpo-post sa FB ng text? Di ba? Mostly pictures, then places, na kung ano mang kinakain mo ngayon. Those are the things, right? Imbes na picture mo na, o ito yun, having lunch today. Yung mga ganun lang. Okay? So please be careful, even in Instagram. Instagram, pictures lang yun. So it's better to keep or to show off pictures na talagang malaman mo na makakatulong sa profession mo. Bakit, sir? Yung paglalakwatsa ba, sir, ay nakakatulong yan? Yes. Kasi pag may nakakita sa'yo, uy, pumunta pala to sa province na ganito, magtatanong sa'yo, ano ang status ng province na pinuntahan mo? Is it okay? Wala bang criminality, etc.? Why? Kasi baka meron silang planong pumunta doon. Tama po ba? So you will be one of the source of information for these people. Di ba pag Google, pag meron kang pinuntahan, tinatanong sa'yo, kung kunyari pumunta ka ng SM, tatanungin sa'yo, meron pang parking for the disabled, meron pang water, free service ang water dito. Nagtatanong si Google. For other people, na pag pumunta sila doon sa place na yun, they are already well informed by your help. Okay? Binibigyan ka pa nga ng star ng Google for contributor. Okay? Sige. Consistent messaging. Be careful whenever you message. Okay? Lalo na po, importante sa lahat, binanggit na po rin ng first speaker nyo, communication. Mahina sa communication most of the students. Kaya nga po, I tried, giving exams by essay para makita ko kung paano yung sentence construction nila. The use of is, are, was, were. Please, hindi naman po yung mga the reason why. Kasi pag whenever nagpaparecite po ako sa loob ng classroom, pinaparecite ko po sila in English. Plain English. Kasi po, importante po yun. Kasi pag Tagalog lang po tayo, may balak ka naman mag-abroad, sa tingin mo ba, maintindihan kayo na Tagalog? No. We're talking about international. Okay? We're talking about how you exercise your skill. Communication is also a skill. Kailangan nyo hong galingan yung communication nyo. Lalo pag-draft nyo ng letter. Lalo pag-draft nyo ng memo. Lalo na pag-draft nyo ng resignation letter nyo. Dapat big time. Uy, magre-resign na to. Kailangan taasan natin yung sweldo. Di ba? Those are the things. Communication is the key. Pag mahina po tayo ngayon sa English, you need to practice more. Paano mag-practice? Manood tayo ng English movies. Huwag naman yung walang kwentang English movie, no? Yung isang English na how they pronounce, how they communicate, those are the important thing. Or, you can go online, meron naman ho yung mga short courses on English, i-examine nyo sarili nyo. Try to test yourself. Huwag kayo matakot kung bumagsak kayo. It's part of learning. Okay? The thing is, whenever you fall down, the next question is not how to get up. What's the next step? Always remember that. Okay, let's do it. Okay? Communication. Okay, next. Showcase your expertise. Kailangan nyo ipakita yung galing nyo. Kung madaldal kayo, show it. It's a skill. Okay? Pag marunong ka makapag-usap sa mga tao na hindi mo kilala, magaling kang lumapit sa isang tao at makapag-converse, that is also a skill. Public speaking is also a skill. Enhance it. Huwag kayo matakot. Okay? Bakit? Papagalitan ka ba ng audience mo pag nagkamali ka? Hindi. Okay? I have also one student, no? He is from COC. Right now, he is in demand. Whenever I go, nakikita ko siya sa Okada, he is the one who is promoting, marketing. Pero, College of Communication graduate po siya. Pero ang trabaho niya, HR. Not only that, I have speakers na kilala ko, ang graduate po siya, nursing. But right now, she is the Vice President on Human Resource sa isang well-known travel agency. Isipin nyo, even though that whatever your course right now, doesn't ever define you. Ay, pag once na ho office ad ako, dyan lang ako sa court. Magta-transcribe lang po ako eh. don't look at belittling yourselves. Like, ay, I-tech lang ako. Diploma course lang po yan eh. No. Don't pull yourself down, man. Yun ang pinaka, sa inyo eh. That's a no-no. There's one student sa loob ng classroom ko, pinagalitan ko. Bakit ko pinagalitan? Well, hindi ko naman masyado. Ako ba palagi pinapagalitan ko estudyante? Hindi naman, di ba? So seldom ko gawin. Bakit? Kasi ang tanong ko sa iyo, who among you are not a leader? Taas ng kamay. Sabi ko, uulitin ko yung tanong, who among you are not a leader? Taas ulit siya ng kamay. So literally, naiintindihan niyo yung tanong ko. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ka leader? Can you please explain it to me? Sabi niya, sir, kasi ganito ako. All of the negative things, sinabi niya, I still remember it right now. Pinagalitan ko siya in front of the class. Sabi ko, nagsasayang lang tayo ng oras dito, nagsasayang ka lang ng oras, nag-aaral ka, ayaw maging leader. So anong gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo? Okay? So, everything went, nadamdam na yata niya, lalaki po siya. He went into tears, and when I went up, sinundan niya ako, sir, I'm so sorry. Talagang hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko ngayon. Sabi niya gano'n. Ano ba problema? Problema sa pamilya? Problema sa girlfriend? Ano ba problema mo? Sir, actually wala. I'm at lost. Hindi ko alam kung anong profession kukunin ko. So I said, okay, let's start. Ano bang hilig mo? Sir, mahilig ako mag-computer. Oh, let's start from there. So, right now and then, I gave advices. He keeps on texting me, no? Nagchat-chat kami once in a while until hindi na siya nagchat-chat. Hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyari. Pero right now, he is posting in Facebook at naging executive officer na siya na isang company. See? Ang kailangan lang talaga niya is push. Bakit? Nawawala yung self-esteem niya eh. Sabi ko, ano ba problema? Wala kang baon? Sige, pakainin kita ngayon. Anong problema? Pero hanggang ngayon lang, ano ba mangyayari? You need continuity. Okay? You need a source of income. Hindi yung ganyan. Sayang ang talents nyo. Taga-PUP kayo eh. Okay, what else? Network strategically. Okay? Next slide. Parang na-explain. These are the tips of personal branding success. No? Be authentic. Be yourself. Huwag na kayo magpanggap. Mga iba gusto maging Koreano, hindi ko alam kung bakit, no? Alam nyo, it's not bad watching Korean movies. Okay? We can learn from the movie itself, no? Mga good what do you call this? Good teachings, etc., etc. Pero, you know, Koreans and Filipinos are much different. Why do they prefer Filipinos in the meantime? Don't you know that Singapore, the Singapore Bank of Singapore, Filipinos lang ang hina-hire nila. Bakit? Magaling tayo speak in English. Pag ang mismong Singaporean, when they talk in English, medyo hirap sila. Parang may kinakain silang words na, pardon? Kasi bakit? They were colonized by the British. No? Kaya may yung accent pa nila, tapos may Chinese pa, etc. So what happened? Chop suey, di ba? Di katulad sa Pilipino, namimili tayo nag-i-invade sa atin. Spanish, yan, social tayo eh. British, konti lang British eh. 1 week lang yata eh. Tapos, Americans. Hanggang yata, Americans. Ngayon, China gusto sumausaw sa atin. Anyway, hayaan mo sila. Okay. Be authentic, stay consistent, keep evolving. Hindi ko sinabi maging mutant kayo, ha? When we say evolving, you try to learn things more. Ha? Parang hindi ko alam yan Masubukan nga. Di ba? Hindi ko sinabi mag-gambling kayo or what, ha? Mag-online sugal kayo or what. Hindi yun. Di ba? You try other skills na parang hindi ko alam yan. Okay. Farming. Farming is one of the skills. Always remember that. You go yourself in farming. Oh. Like Miss Regine, ang dami niyang, ngayon, dami niyang ginampak niya sarili yung talents niya, no? Ganon din kayo. Curiosity doesn't always kill the cat. It sometimes fattens the cat, no? Because ang dami mong pinapakain, na introduce sa sarili mo, uy, kaya ko palang gawin to. Then, it becomes a hobby, then it becomes a profession, then so on and so forth, kumikita ka na ng pera. Sige. Seek feedback. Ito, medyo ang dami kong naranasan sa estudyante whenever I'll give negative thoughts, no? Yung sinabi, uy, hindi ka magaling dito sa point na to. Don't ever drag yourself na hanggang, didibdibin niyo yung sinabi. It is a constructive criticism. It is how you take it, eh. Pag sinabi, bakit ganito? Ang pangit mo. Okay? Iba na yun. Okay? Yung pala, may sasabihin pa pala, ang pangit mo magsulat. Yung pala yung sasabihin niya. So, yung sinabi pa lang, ang pangit mo, tumalikod ka na, magsulat. Hindi mo narinig yung magsulat. Okay? So, that is literally, sinabi daw, pangit daw ako, magre-resign na ako. Magpapa-facial na ako, etc. Yung pala hindi, yung magsulat. So, you need to practice to write. Kasi yung, ano ba kinuha mo? Doctor, medicine, kaya ganun yung sulat mo? Hindi po. Nag-ano po ako nag-office ad. Office ad? That's ganun yung handwriting mo? Parang ibang course yata yung nakuha mo eh. Okay? Very shorthand. Okay? Sige, next slide please. These are the things na kailangan natin iwasan. Always. Okay? Number 1, over-promising. Pangako, hindi pala natin magagawa. Okay? Always remember that. Again, you need to protect your reputation. Always remember that. Now, neglecting your online reputation. Ang dami mo nilagay sa online. Dami mong ginawa, certificates, gano'n. Hindi pala, bogus pala yun. Hindi pala totoo. Oh, it says here, you're great in Java. You're great in ganto. Actually, kukunin ko palang ho yan next month. Patay. So, anong lumalabas doon? Sira reputation. Okay? Failing to adapt to feedback or industry trends. Meron lumabas policy sa opisina, magpagupit. Magpapagupit ka? Oo, magpapagupit siya. Dahil kailangan, it is a policy. Ngayon, did you care to ask a question, bakit ho kailangan mo magpagupit? Yun ang sinabi. Now, it is for your own assessment na alam mo na kung bakit. So, are you willing to sacrifice that? Okay. It depends upon the opportunity. Whenever an organization gives a policy, the policy always reflects in its positivity na meron ho kailangan mangyari doon, ma-obtain para po for the better of everyone. Most especially the goals, vision, mission of the organization. Always remember that. Kung hindi naman labag sa loob nyo at hindi naman naapakan yung karapatan nyo, you do it, right? For the contribution for the goals of the organization. Sige. Lacking focus on your niche. What is the niche? Yung kagalingan mo. Masyado mo nang tinetake for granted na magaling ka. Ay, wala yan. Galing ako dyan. Ayaw mo na yan. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-review. Magaling na ako dyan sa subject na yan. Nung pina-exam, parang hindi ko nabasa to ah. Tapos, hihingi ka ng KB. Alam mo na si Lord, marunong yan eh. Ha? Kaya meron kang kaliwa, meron kang kanan. Yan, yung mga resources. Di ba? Pero cheating is also a violation. Okay, next slide please. Now, when you measure your brands, you always track, then you adjust. When you track, eto na, last year ganito, last month ganito. I took the certification, pumasa ako, what's next? Meron kayong mga tina-target. Okay, always remember that. Bakit? Enhancing eh. Okay? So, what do? You track everything, certificate. Pwede nga, ilagay mo yan sa kwarto mo, yung mga certification mo eh. Just for you to be motivated. Kailangan na i-follow up to. It's been 2 years already. I need to follow up. Kailangan ko mag-exam. You know, the civil service exam is also known for you guys if ever you know the basic information about working in an office. Okay? Sabi nila, kailangan mag-review. Pero actually, to tell you honestly, it's just simple logic. No? Alphabetical, simple math, everything. Pero if I were you guys, try to take the civil service exam para malaman nyo. Huwag kayo matakot magbumaksak. Hindi naman ipapaskil yung pangalan nyo na baksak kayo eh. Okay? Got it? Sige, next. Okay, here's a case study. An applicant A, applicant B. Okay, these are their... Sa tingin nyo, sino ang matatanggap? Siyempre, pipiliin nyo yung taga-PUP, tama? Okay. Pero to tell you honestly, no, we will pick applicant A. Why? Bakit nga pala si PUP palagi ang pinipili ng mga employers? Hindi maarte? Really? Why? What do you think? Bakit PUP ang pinipili? Actually, yung mga recruiting officers, yung mga taga-PUP, hindi, joke lang. Mga estudyante ko. There was one student of mine, ewan ko, tetext niya ako, Sir, estudyante mo ba to? Sabi ko, anong pangalan? Pabibigay niya, oh, estudyante ko, yan. Tapos tatanungin niya, naging prop niyo ba si Sir Solosa? Opo. O sige, tanggap ka na. Yan, yung password. Loko-loko. Well, anyway, PUP is known for how students really sacrifice. No? Paano sila maging pasensyoso, how they can be flexible. Now, on the other hand, si applicant B, nakikita niyo yung degree niya. The same degree sila eh. Pero yung isa, yung membership niya, eto, multiple membership siya, si PUP. Bakit? Kaya niya mag-adjust eh. Kahit sino, kaya niya i-duel. Eto naman, pili lang, music club lang siya, blogger society, student inner campus lang. Inner campus, hanggang doon lang siya. Pero paglabas siya, ayaw na niya makapag-translate to other people. Oh, and on the job training of San Miguel, bihira lang po mag-OJT. Paano siya nakapag-OJT sa San Miguel? Oh, yun ang tanong. Anyway, next slide. Now, the action plan should always start now for you guys. Don't wait until tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be too late. Okay? So, start now. Be consistent. Kung ano yung goals ninyo today, be consistent. Well, hindi naman in the straight line po talaga yung ating yung goals natin makukuha eh. May papalihis sa kaliwa, mapapalihis din po sa kanan, but always stay focused kung saan kayo pupunta. Okay? And lastly, we need to embrace growth, adaptivity, changing times. ang daming lumalabas. AI is here. Ay, yung mga iba, takot sa AI, no? AI is a tool. Always remember that. AI is the tool to help us to make everything better. Okay? Huwag kayong matakot na, papalitan tayo ng AI. Okay? AI cannot change, cannot adapt emotional. Like, how do you tend to talk with other people? O magre-resign na. Bakit ka magre-resign? Eh kasi sir, may problema sa bahay, ganito. Gawin natin ang paraan para wag ka na mag-resign. Di ba? Those are the things. It still pays to be human. Okay? So I will be leaving you with a quote by Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. Your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room. Hindi chismis yun kasi ayan, yung lumabas, ang galing niya sa math. Di ba? Sila na mismo mga pag-judge sa'yo. Next slide. And thank you very much. If ever there is other questions, I gladly, ano yung tanong? May question ka? Ay, hindi. Akala ko may question. Joke lang. May tanong daw siyang joke. Okay. Anong mga tanong? Yun. You know, the diploma, bakit pa tayo nag-aaral? Eh, pwede naman tayo magtrabaho. Di ba? But, the answer here is that the diploma is your passport to a better future. Bakit? Kasi yan ang nagsacertify sa inyo na all of the basic lessons in that course ay nakapag-take up ka na at pinasa mo na siya. No ifs, no buts. Eh sir, bakit naman humihingi ng transcript of records? Okay? As a recruitment specialist before, ang transcript of record po is an alternative in the absence of the diploma. Para makita mo sa pinakababa, graduate on the bachelor degree of okay? So, hindi ko na ho tinitingnan yung grades. Ay, 5 siya sa PE. Diba? Huwag naman ganon. Why? To tell you honestly, PE, may 3 nga ako sa PE. O, di ba? Kayo, CWTS kayo, dawa? Okay. O, kami, ROTC, mandatory. Before. Okay, naranasan ko pa si ROTC. Every Sunday, nandito ako sa PUP palagi. Kaya, from Monday to Sunday, PUP ako palagi. No? Parang bahay ko na din to eh. So, any question? Tanong po. Tanong? Huwag na maya. May GO tayo ngayon. Hindi o Gcash ha, pero may giveaways, G. Medyo hindi ko kaka-level si Miss Busho eh. Kamusta yung mga natanggap niya na ba? Yung yung mga biyaya. Uy, natanggap na raw, Miss Busho. O anyway, tanong. Huwag kayo matanong. Hindi naman luto recitation eh.
So, good morning po. Question ko lang po. Kunwari may challenge po na inaharap nyo sa karir nyo. Kunwari challenge po, something na feeling nyo new or mahirap. Ano po yung nagiging thought process nyo and ano yung mga bagay na isinasaalang-alang nyo po para malagpasan yung mga challenge na yun na po, thank you.
Very nice question. Whenever you face a challenge in life, una-una sa lahat, you assess what is the problem first. Paano siya naging problema in the first place? Okay? So, in that process, pag nakita mo yung problema, kung paano ba siya nangyari, that is the time you find the solution. Katulad niyan, well, you know, death is really hindi natin makontrol ang kamatayan. Totoo? But whenever somebody, sabihin natin, supports you, then suddenly passes away, then literally, ang family ay mapipilayan. 100% mapipilayan niya. Now, it is time that you assess yourself, of course. Kaya ko bang mag-contribute na tumulong sa pamilyang to? Ha? Kasi, in our times, kahit mag-Jollibee ka, mag-service ko ka, like my part, nag-Shakey's ako, nakatulong din yun. Bakit? I'm supporting myself. Kahit maliit yan eh. I'm supporting myself. So, meaning to say, sa ilang family members kayo, at least ikaw, pwede mo na i-cross out ka dahil self-supporting ka na. Okay? Pero, kung meron ka konting sobra-sobra, magbigay ka. Di ba? Ganun yun, makatulong. So, whatever heavy challenges you have in life, you better assess first. Kasi hindi mo pwede i-prolong yan. Kasi pag pinaprolong mo pa yan, baka lumala pa. Then there was a very simple answer or solution na masyado na naging cancer na yung problema, na wala ng solution. So, you better think right, think critically, Critically, you need to decide, you need to do something. Kung you need to take the leap, take it. Okay? Then, paano pag nagkamali ka? Isipin mo, yung desisyon mo, nagkaroon ka ng kamalian. Then, the time, you need to adjust. Hindi naman lahat ng desisyon perfecto eh. Not all solution is 100% na makakatulong doon sa problema mo. But, it is a very great step. Inuunti-unti mo siyang binibigyan na solusyon. Kasi wala kang ginagawa. Hinintay mo siya maging cancer. Di ba? So it's better, sipon pa lang, bigyan mo na ng konti, uminom ka ng maraming tubig. Wala kang pabiling gamot eh. Inom, tubig, pahinga. Those are some of the remedies na makakapagtulong hanggang makabangon ka ulit. Nilalagnat, stay at home ka muna, pahinga, overwork ka. Di ba? Stressed, etc., etc. Those are the things that you need to do. Nagkasakit ka na, tuloy-tuloy pa rin trabaho mo, parang ginagatong mo lang yung sakit mo. Talagang, baka yung hindi mo hinahanap, ay mahanap mo. Okay? Sige. Okay ba, sir? Sige. What else?
Hello po. Ano pong ma-advise nyo or mararecommend po na daily habits for personal growth and success po?
Okay, the personal growth in success is that meron kayong kahiligan eh. There's something that you like and there is not you dislike. Tama po ba? Of course, you will be getting what you like in the first place. Ito, pag kinuha ko to, magiging beneficial ako. I will grow. Magiging matuwa ako. Then, sooner or later, parang ito lang, nakakaumay na yata yung gusto ko eh. Why not try another? Parang, kumakain ka ng ulam. Anong favorite mo ulam? Kunyari sinigang. Pag araw-araw ka kumakain ng sinigang, sabihin natin, sinigang na baboy, sinigang na baka, sinigang na isda, paulit-ulit mong ginagawa yun, di ba nakakaumay din? So you will be looking for another adventure. So what you do is, in your personal growth, you need to focus some of the abilities na, why not try computer, programming? See, isipin mo. Parang it's not my cup of tea, but let's see. You just look for the perfect person na makapagturo sa'yo ng ano ba talaga ang yung paano bang shortcut nito, yung parang what you call all the lessons in a nutshell. Na ay okay madali lang sige, let's try it. And of course, like for example, mahina ako sa Word, Excel, at saka PowerPoint. Okay, sino ka makapagturo sa akin nito? You try online. Aba, meron nagpapaano. What you call this? Nagtututor. Why don't you try it? Sasabihin ng tutor, o sige, 1 month, pag hindi ka pa natuto, walang bayad. O sige, so you try it. Uy, okay ito. Dami ko na alam, Excel. Dami na, Word, etc. So those are the things that you need to do. Not only yung focus on one line. You need to go also left, right? Hanggang nakita mo yung line mo ay manipis lang, biglang lumalaki na, nagiging isang highway na siya. Okay? Those are the things that you need to do. Okay? Sige. Personal group. Okay? Thank you very much.
Yan. Let me... The Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Office of the Vice President for Student Affairs and Services, Alumni Relations and Career Development Office, in cooperation with the College of Business and Administration, awards the Certificate of Appreciation to the notable alumni Perry David L. Solosa for sharing his knowledge and skill during the Baliksintang Paaralan as Alumni Resource Speaker on December 9, 2024, titled Craft Your Personal Brand, Align Your Authentic Self, held in Recto Hall, 6th floor, South Wing, Main Campus. Given this day, December 9, 2024, at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Manila, signed Engineer Florinda H. Oquendo, Director, and Tomas Otestor, the Vice President for Student Affairs and Services. Thank you very much for your professional service, Mr. Perry David Solosa. And sige po, picture po muna tayo. Yan, so magandang umaga po lahat sa inyo at maraming salamat sa pagdalo. So this is the half of the day's event and we will resume at around 1:30 again. Magandang umaga po.